Hi students, good morning to one and all. Now welcome back our favorite video channel Sri Ganit Vijnana Sarvasvam. Now today, this time we have to discuss most important topic in Junior Intermediate Mathematics 1B paper. That is the last topic, applications of derivatives. Now from this topic, there are came 26 marks from this topic. Now here in that weightage of this topic is here 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks. Totally 26 marks will come from this topic. The weightage of this topic is totally 26 marks. Now here from this year some more topics will be deleted. So here only 3 topics are there. Now in that the first one is tangent and normals. From this tangent and normals subtopic there are came 1 2 mark question, 1 4 mark question, 1 7 mark question. Totally 13 marks. 13 marks came from this subtopic, that is tangent and normals. So it is very important also. Now in JEE Mains and MCET also there are so many models given from this topic. Now first of all we have to discuss the large answer questions. The large answer questions from the topic tangents and normals. Now here very easiest questions from this topic. So now we are going to the topic is tangent and normals. Before going to solve this problem, first of all we have to discuss what is the tangent and what is the normal. Suppose here we have to take 2 curves or we have to take one curve. This is one type of curve. Now here in that curve let we take P of x1 y1 be any point on the curve. P of x1 y1 be any point on the curve. In that we have to draw one line, one straight line. Now this straight line touches that curve. This straight line touches that curve at the point P x1 y1. Now here this straight line is called tangent line. This straight line is called tangent line. So here we have to draw one straight line to the curve at the point P x1 y1. Now the straight line completely touches the curve. Then the type of straight line is called tangent line. Now here at the same point we draw one perpendicular line to tangent line. Now this is one perpendicular line. Now this line is called normal line. Now here this normal line cuts the curve. Tangent line touches the curve. Normal line cuts the curve. Tangent line touches the curve at the same point P x1 y1. Now here given this curve we draw one tangent and also we draw one perpendicular line to the tangent. This tangent touches the curve. This normal cuts the curve. Now here these two are, we have to observe these two are completely straight lines. So this is also straight line. So this is also straight line. Now these tangent and normal lines are completely straight lines. Now here in that first we take the given curve and we differentiate with respect to x. Now that dy by dx, at the point here to find derivative of that function, that is dy by dx. Here to find dy by dx at the given point P x1 y1. Now here this is one type of number, so this is one type of constant value. Now clearly this dy by dx can be taken as some constant value because of here we put the values x1 y1 in the dy by dx. So that constant is called slope. That dy by dx at the point is called slope, which is denoted as small m. Now already to find slope, and also we know one point p x1 y1. Now we have to find equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Now we have to find equation of tangent, that is slope point form. Equation of tangent is slope point form of straight line. Form of straight line. So that is, here we take the slope is m, the point p x1 y1. Now we write y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So this is called equation of tangent. So this is in coordinate system, this is one of the straight line. Here m is equals to dy by dx at the point p x1 y1. Now here first to differentiate the given curve, that is dy by dx, and also find dy by dx at p of x1 y1. It can be taken as one constant. Now this constant can be denoted as slope. Now symbolically it can be treated as small m. Now here we take that point p x1 y1. Clearly we have to observe this is slope, this is point. Now we take slope point form of straight line, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So this is called equation of tangent. Similarly, here also, first of all, here also to find normal line also. Now, before going to find normal line, first to find slope of normal. So already to find slope of tangent line, that is small m. Now clearly we have to observe the normal line is perpendicular to tangent line. Therefore, slope of normal equals to minus 1 by m. Already found slope of the tangent. Now here clearly this is perpendicular to tangent line. The normal line is perpendicular to normal line. Now we can take perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m. Similarly, here also using that point. Now here we draw the same point. At the same point we draw normal line. Now we take the point p x1 y1 and the slope is minus 1 by m. Now therefore equation of normal line equals to y minus y1 equals to, this is also slope point form. Here we take the slope is perpendicular slope, that is minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So this is called slope equation of normal line. So this is equation of tangent. Now using this type of procedure to the given problems, now to follow the same procedure and also find equation of tangent, at the same time equation of normal lines. So this is the procedure for to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. Now write down these formulas, and after that we have to solve the given problem also. Now here we are going to the 7 mark problems. Now in the tangent and normals, now the first question. Show that the tangent at the point p x1 y1 on the curve root x plus root y equal to root a is y into y1 power minus 1 by 2 plus x into x1 power minus 1 by 2 equal to a power 1 by 2. Now we have to find equation of tangent to the curve root x plus root y equal to root a. At the point p x1 y1 is this one. Now first we take the given curve. Now we are going to the solution. Given curve is square root x plus square root y equals square root a. So this is our given curve. Now which is equation 1. And also given point p x1 y1. Now first we take differentiation. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We have So here this is square root x. Derivative of square root x is 1 by 2 root x, and derivative of x is 1, plus square root y, derivative 1 by 2 root y, and y derivative is with respect to x, y derivative is dy by dx. Now in that first term we have to observe this is x. Now differentiate to same variable x. Now differentiate with same variable to any variable, that is 1, plus here differentiate y with respect to x can be denoted as dy by dx. Now we have to observe right side value root a. Now here in that square root, a is the constant. Now totally this is one of the constant. Now derivative of any constant can be taken as 0. Derivative of any constant can be taken as 0. Now from this one, clearly we have to observe dy by dx can be denoted as, here we take 1 by 2 root x to right side, that is minus 1 by 2 root x, and 1 by 2 root y also can be taken to right side. Now we take reciprocal of this one, here we write 2 root y by 1. Now here in the numerator and denominator 2 will be cancelled. The remaining value minus 1 into root y minus root y by root x. So this is dy by dx, derivative of the given function dy by dx can be denoted as minus root y by root x. Now already here to find slope of the curve. Here the point already given, p of x1 y1. So given point on the curve, equation 1 is p of x1 y1. Now here to find slope. So therefore here to find equation of tangent, before going to find equation of tangent, first to find slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent equal to m equal to, here we take dy by dx at p of x1 y1, p of x1 y1. Now here dy by dx value minus root y by root x. Now we take minus root y1 by root x1. Here y and x can be replaced by y1 and x1. At the point, here we take the values of the coordinate point. So this is the slope. Now here to find equation of tangent at p of x1 y1 with slope m, is, here we use slope point formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is same point. Now these are does not change. Now here we substitute the value of m, that is y minus y1 equal to, m value is minus root y1 by root x1 into x minus x1. Clearly here we observe root y1 can be taken to left side. Now we are divide with root y1 to left side values. Here clearly y by root y1 minus y1 by root y1. Similarly here minus 1 by root x1, multiply with minus 1 by root x1 to right side values x and x1. Now we take minus x by root x1 minus into minus plus x1 by root x1. Now clearly here minus x by root x1 can be taken to left side. Then we write x by, here root x1 can be written as x1 power 1 by 2. Similarly here we write y by root y1 can be taken as y1 power 1 by 2. Now here this is x1 means root x1 whole square. Here we write x1 is root x1 whole square by, already root x1 is there, plus root y1. Here minus y1 by root y1 can be taken to right side. Y1 can be written as root y1 whole square by root y1. Now here clearly we have, now here here we write x into x1 power 1 by 2. Now power can be goes to in numerator, power can be negative, minus 1 by 2 plus y into y1 power minus 1 by 2. Here 1 root x1 will be cancelled, 1 root y1 will be cancelled in both numerator and denominator. The total value is root x1 plus root y1. Now here we observe in that this value is x into x1 power minus 1 by 2 plus y into y1 power minus 1 by 2. In right side value root x1 plus root y1. Already this point lie on the curve root x plus root y equal root a. Now we substitute x1 y1 in place of x and y. Clearly root x1 plus root y1. Root x1 plus root y1 value is root a. Now clearly here we write that value can be taken as root a. Since px1 y1 lies on the curve, root x plus root y equal to root a. Now clearly here we write root x1 plus root y1 equal to root a. Now here we take that root x1 plus root y1 value root a can be substituted in RHS side. So this is the equation of tangent. Already here I write this one. Equation of tangent at px1 y1 with slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here m is minus root y1 by root x1. Root y1 can be taken to left side and here divide with root y1 and also here divide with root x1 to right side, and it can simplify that the equation of tangent at x1 y1 equals to x into x1 power minus 1 by 2 plus y into y1 power minus 1 by 2 equal to root a. Now here we have to observe in the given problem the proving result. Equation of tangent also y into y1 power minus 1 by 2 plus x into x1 power minus 1 by 2 equal to a power 1 by 2. So this is the solution for this problem. Write down this solution. Now the second problem. At a point x1 y1 on the curve x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy. Show that the tangent is x1 square minus ay1 into x plus y1 square minus ax1 into y equal to ax1 y1. Here the given curve is x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy. Now here to find the equation of tangent is this one. Now here also x1 y1 is point on the curve. Now first we take the given curve. Now we are going to the solution. Given curve is x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy. Now which is equation 1. Now first we differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Here we have x cube derivative. This is x power n formation, n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Now x cube means 3 into x power 3 minus 1. That is 3x square. And x derivative is 1. Plus y cube derivative. 3 into y power 3 minus 1 means 3y square. Again we have to differentiate y with respect to x. That is dy by dx. In right side 3a is the constant. So this is xy form, uv form. Now first we take the first function x into y derivative dy by dx plus y into x derivative 1. Now clearly in that we have to observe 3 is the common coefficient of all the terms. Now we cancel these 3. And also here we take common dy by dx in both the terms. First we write y square into dy by dx. Here we take multiply with a, that means minus ax into dy by dx. We take left side. Similarly in that we write a into y, ay minus x square. Here x square into 1 can be taken to right side, that is minus x square. Now here we take common dy by dx. Now y square minus ax into dy by dx. Y square minus ax into dy by dx equals to here ay minus x square. Now in that we have to observe dy by dx value equals to, here we take y square minus ax to right side, then we write ay minus x square by y square minus ax. Here this is y square minus ax. Now here clearly x1 y1 is the point on the curve. Since x1 y1 is a point on the given curve, equation 1. Now we take slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent. Now it can be denoted as small m, that is dy by dx at the point x1 y1. Now already found dy by dx value. Here substitute x1 y1 in that value. Ay minus x square means ay1 minus x1 square by y square minus ax means y1 square minus ax1. So this is the slope. Now here to find equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at the point x1 y1 with slope m. Now point slope formula, the straight line can be taken as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now here we write y minus y1 equal to, m value is ay1 minus x1 square by y1 square minus ax1 into x minus x1. Now clearly here our equation of tangent is x1 square minus ay1 into x plus y1 square minus ax1 into y equal ax1 y1. Here clearly, here multiply with y1 square minus ax2 left side, then we write y1 square minus ax1 into y minus, here multiply with each and every term, y1 into y1 square, y1 cube, y1 into ax1 y1 plus ax1 y1. So this is complete left side value. In right side value, here also multiply with x2 this term, we write ay1 minus x1 square into x, and also multiply with x1 to each and every term in this term, minus x1 into ay1 ax1 y1 minus into minus plus x1 cube. Now clearly in that first we write ay1 minus x1 square into x can be taken to left side. Now here minus, it contains minus sign. Now here we take common minus also. We write x1 square minus ay1 into x plus already y1 square minus ax1 into y. This term is there in left side. Similarly in that minus y1 cube can be taken to right side. Now we write x1 cube plus y1 cube. Similarly ax1 y1 also can be taken to right side. So this is minus ax1 y1. This is also minus ax1 y1. Now we take 2ax1 y1. Now similarly in that x1 square minus ay1 into x plus y1 square minus ax1 into y. Here also x cube plus y cube equal 3xy. This is the given curve. Now this point also lie on this curve also. In previous problem, here x1 y1 can be substituted in this one. Here we write, since x1 y1 lies on the curve x cube plus y cube equal to 3a xy. Now Then we write x1 cube plus y1 cube equal to 3a x1 y1. Now here substitute the value in that one. X1 cube plus y1 cube value 3a x1 y1 minus 2a x1 y1. Now 3 minus 2 means 1. So a x1 y1. So this is our proving result. X1 square minus ay1 into x plus y1 square minus ax1 into y equal to ax1 y1. So this is the equation of tangent to the given curve x cube plus y cube equal to 3xy at the point x1 y1. This is the solution for this question. Now the next problem, if the tangent at any point on the curve x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. Now the tangent intersect at coordinate axis in the points A and B. Then show that length of AB is a constant. Here first to find tangent equation to the given curve, and that tangent makes an intersects, or that tangent intersect coordinate axis at 2 points A and B, at x-axis in A and at x-axis, y-axis in B. Now here to find the length of AB is the constant. Now first, before going to find length of AB, first to find equation of tangent to the given curve. Now first we take the given curve. Now we are going to the solution. Given curve is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. Now which is equation 1. Now here we know that we take parametric point to this curve. We know that the parametric point to the given curve one is x equal to a into cos cube theta and y equal to a into sin cube theta. Here we observe, here we take a cos cube theta. So a power 2 by 3 into cos square theta. This is a power 2 by 3 into sin square theta. Now we take common a power 2 by 3. Cos square plus sin square is 1. So here a power 2 by 3 is always equals to a power 2 by 3. Now this is clearly one parameter point to the given curve. Now here to find dy by dx. First to find slope of the tangent. Now before going to slope, first to find dy by dx. Now clearly we have to observe x value intends the theta, y value also intends in theta. Now we are using parametric differentiation. First here x and y are, these are functions in theta. Now we have to find derivatives with respect to theta to corresponding the given x and y values. Now differentiate with respect to theta to both x and y functions on both sides. We have, here we take dx by d theta. Now a is constant, cos cube theta, this is fx power n. Now we take n into fx power n minus 1 into f dash x. So here we write 3 into cos power 3 minus 1 means cos square theta. Again we write differentiation of cos theta, that is minus sin theta. Similarly, here also we write dy by d theta. Here also a into sin cube theta means 3 into sin power 3 minus 1 means sin square theta into sin theta derivative cos theta. Now clearly here to find dy by dx. Here we take dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Now that means here we write minus 3a. So here plus 3a sin square theta into cos theta. This is dy by d theta. And in the denominator we take minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Now here in both the terms 3s will be cancelled and one sin theta also cancelled and one cos theta also cancelled. The remaining value is minus sin theta by cos theta. Now this is tan theta. Now here also tan theta can be written as sin by cos in the equation of tangent. Now here to find slope of tangent. Slope of tangent equals to m. That means dy by dx at theta. That is the minus sin theta by cos theta. So which is clear. Now here equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at the point xy means a cos cube theta and a sin cube theta with slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is point slope form. Now here we substitute y minus y1 means a sin cube theta m means minus sin theta by cos theta into x minus a cos cube theta. Now here clearly we have to observe here divide with sin theta to left side. Now we write y by sin theta minus a sin cube theta by sin theta. In right side also divide with cos theta to x and a cos cube theta and multiply with minus also. Minus x by cos theta minus into minus plus a cos cube theta by cos theta. Now here it can simplify that minus x by cos theta can be taken to right side, that is plus x by cos theta. This is plus y by sin theta. Now we take right side to this term a sin cube theta by sin theta. Here one sin will be cancelled, here one cos will be cancelled. Now here this is a cos square theta, this is plus a sin square theta. Now we take common a into cos square theta plus sin square theta equal sin square theta. Now that means a into 1, that equal to a. Now divide with a also, then we write x by a cos theta plus y by a sin theta equal to 1. Now which is equation 2. So this is the equation of tangent. Now clearly we observe this is the intercept form also. So first we write this solution and after that the remaining solution also I can explain. Now here I can also write here once more equation of tangent is in the, so here equation of tangent is in the intercept form. X by a cos theta plus y by a sin theta equal to 1. Now here x intercept equal to small a equal to a cos theta. Generally x intercept can be taken as a. So because of this is the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here a means x-intercept equal to a cos theta. Similarly, and y-intercept equal to b equal to a sin theta. Now clearly this line, this tangent line intersect at coordinate axis in a and b. Now we take coordinate plane. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. Now we take the equation of tangent. Now the curve is this one. Now here we take the tangent line. So this is the tangent line. This is the point, the parameter point P. A cos cube theta, A sin cube theta. Now here, since equation of, so here the equation 2 intersects the coordinate axis at the points A and B. Now here we write, since equation 2 intersects coordinate axis at A and B. Now the point A is, already we know x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is a cos theta. Now in the x-axis the point is the formation a cos theta comma 0. In B, point is 0 comma a sin theta. So in x-axis y coordinate is 0, in y-axis x coordinate is 0. Now the points A equal to a cos theta comma 0 and B equal to 0 comma a sin theta. Now these are 2 points. Now we have to find length AB. Length of AB. Now here we prove the length of AB is constant. Now here we take length of AB. Length of AB. The formula is distance formula. Square root of, here we write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now in that we write square root of x1 means a into cos theta, a cos theta, minus x2 means 0, a cos theta minus 0 whole square, plus y1 means 0 minus a sin theta whole square. Now we can simplify that. A square, square root of a cos theta minus 0 means a square cos square theta, already square is there, a square cos square theta. Here this is a square plus a square sin square theta. Now in that we take common a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now that value is a into that value is 1. So that equal to a. Now a means a is the constant value. So clearly a is constant. Now we take, therefore length of AB is a constant. So this is our proving result. So here first to find equation of tangent, that is intercept form x by a cos theta plus y by a sin theta equal to 1. Now it can be taken to equation 2. Now here clearly this is the intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now here we have to observe x-intercept is a cos theta, y-intercept is a sin theta. Now that means here this line equation of tangent to the curve, this is equation of curve 1, to the curve equation 1 at the point P of a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta, and also this tangent intersects coordinate axis at the points A and B. Now here we have to observe in x-axis y coordinate is 0. Now we take the point A is a cos theta 0 because of x-intercept is a cos theta. Similarly y-intercept is a sin theta. Now the point B is equals to 0 comma a sin theta because of in y-axis x coordinate is 0. Now we take these 2 points also, and to find length AB using distance formula, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. In that, the points will be substituted in that formula and simplify that. Clearly that value can be equals to A. Clearly we observe A is the constant. So therefore length of AB is a constant. So this is our proving result. So this is very important sum, so many times given in IPE public examinations in Andhra Pradesh state and Telangana state. Now write down this complete solution and prepare well and practice well. So the remaining models will be continued in the next video. So these 3 problems will be prepared well. Thank you. Wish you all the best.